Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video.
Hey y'all, I am so sorry if y'all cannot hear me at the moment. I have got a allergy cold and it has taken my voice. However, I told y'all I was going to try banana nut muffins in my air fryer. So voice or no voice, I'm still going to do this video, okay? I'm just going to have to make it quick. So what I did was, y'all excuse me. What I did was I found a simple banana nut muffin recipe. Or y'all, you can even use a banana nut bread recipe, and instead of putting it in a loaf pan, just put it in muffin pans. So you can find a banana nut bread or banana nut muffin recipe. You don't even have to put the nuts in it. I just like pecans in mine, okay? Find you a tried and true simple banana nut muffin or banana muffin recipe. The recipe that I'm using, I just found it off of Pinterest, okay? And I'm having to convert the time and temperature for air fryer instead of oven. That's it. Find you a tried and true recipe. This one is just simple ingredients. The dry ingredients I've already got prepared is flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, which I'm using stevia, and I'm throwing a little bit of cinnamon in there. Okay, the wet ingredients is milk, oil, egg, and vanilla flavoring. I'll make it through this, y'all, I promise. And I've got one very ripe banana mashed up and some pecans. So I'm fixing to mix my batter. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to mix my batter, check the consistency, add a little bit of this that if I need to. If I don't like the consistency of the batter, I'll add a little bit more milk. But I'm fixing to mix it together the best I can. And I'm going to start putting it in my little silicone liners. Y'all, I found these at Walmart today. Silicone liners. I use these at home, but you can use these in the air fryer and the Instant Pot. So instead of using my egg mold, I found these today. So I'm going to individually put the batter in these cups and get them ready for the air fryer, okay? I'll be right back. Before I start coughing my head off, I'll let y'all see my ingredients right here. Right there. Okay? I'm fixing to mix this batter, and I'll let you see what it looks like, okay? Okay, y'all. There's my batter. I didn't want to get it too thin and soupy because I need these to keep their form, okay? And I got them in there as good as I can. 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. Y'all wish me luck. We'll check and see. I have to turn this light like that so you can see inside the pan, but it's in my face when I come back up. So 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. Wish me luck. We'll see how this goes, okay? While I'm waiting on the muffins to bake, I did in another hotel cooking video how you can make tea in a hotel using the coffee maker. And the reason why I had to make my tea in the coffee maker in that hotel room was because that hotel room was not big enough for me to bring my kitchen in. So I had to compromise. But when I have my kitchen stuff with me, all I do is I will find some kind of container or jug or something to keep me some tea in a refrigerator in a hotel. I have that. I put tea bags in a measuring cup with water and I put it in the microwave to steep my tea. Then I take a funnel and put my sugar in and pour my tea in, add more bottled water, shake it up a little bit, and I have tea on hand so I can still have my sweet tea when I'm traveling, okay? That's what I do when I have a kitchenette and I have a microwave, okay? And I bring my things with me. In that other video, I didn't have any of my stuff. I had to really compromise on my sweet tea. My husband bought me some sweet tea from somewhere, and I'm like, bleh. Okay? So that's another way you can just make tea in the microwave, okay? We're going to see how this turns out. Give me just a second. Okay, y'all. Here we go. I checked them at 7 minutes. And one of the muffins, there was just a little spot in the muffin that was still doughy. So I wound up doing them for 9 minutes. Just check your air fryers because every air fryer is different. So I had to just play with mine. So I will write this down, 9 minutes. Let's get this out and see. I just checked one of them, but I want to do a taste test now. Let me find somewhere to put y'all. Hold on, I'm going to set you right here. Let me put something behind y'all. Oops. So my phone don't fall off. Oh, that's going to fall. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me put y'all somewhere. Well, that's still not going to work. How about that? I'm going to get one of these out, and we're going to do a taste test. Pops right out of the muffin tin. Look at that. Y'all are sliding down on me. Sorry, I'm putting you in my Instant Pot. My tripod's in here somewhere. Look. Y'all are sliding again. Will y'all be still? Okay. It came right out of the mold. I didn't even spray them. Now, I only filled these 3/4 of the way full. That's more. I only filled these 3/4 of the way full because I didn't want them to puff up. But y'all's are probably going to get fluffier than mine and taller than mine because if you use granulated sugar, it'll rise more. Stevia, there is something about stevia that makes things not rise as good. That's just a chance I have to take, y'all, so my husband can eat these. I may switch when I'm baking and use monk fruit, okay? That sugar, because it's more granulated, okay? I use stevia, and it doesn't incorporate well enough to give it that rise. So y'all's will probably rise more if you use granulated sugar. But let's do a taste test because I've got some more batter left over, so I need to get another batch in the oven. See, look at that. So let's do. Wow, that's still warm. Look at that. Y'all. Rise or no rise, these are still good, okay? Her recipe, I'll probably add a little more sugar. And you can even put brown sugar in it, but I don't have any. I taste the cinnamon. Oh, I just got a pecan. Look. Banana muffins in your air fryer. Let me show y'all what they look like. Hey, banana muffins in your air fryer. You can do it, y'all. I can come up with some things right now just to give y'all some tips. You can add things to your muffins. Different fruit. I'm seeing blueberry. I'm seeing strawberries. Don't get really wet ones. Try like the freeze-dried ones. If you put a bunch of wet stuff in there, just be careful, okay? They might be too wet. Oh, y'all can add some cream cheese to the strawberry ones and have like a cream cheese cake muffin. Cheesecake, strawberry muffin. Oh, y'all, I'm giving myself some ideas. You can put oatmeal in your muffins. Just use your air fryer, y'all. Air fryers are mini ovens that cuts down on time, temperature, minutes, doesn't heat up your house. And I just fixed banana muffins. But I got to go, y'all. My throat's killing me. Supper tonight is going to be some more hamburgers from those patties that I made. But I just picked up something different for tonight because I'm saving the other half of the bag of the tater tots. Remember I said I was going to make some chili cheese tater tots? So I needed a side tonight to go with the hamburgers again that we're going to have. My husband liked the hamburger, so he wants another hamburger. I just picked these up. Loaded cauliflower bites in the freezer section. I wanted simple tonight because I just don't feel good. My throat's hurting. Okay? So, that's going to be supper tonight. I'm probably going to end this video here in the next few nights. Or, y'all, it just depends, okay? How much time I'm accumulating in the videos, okay? Because I don't want to bore you. So, I'll see by the time I get this one put together, okay? So, I'll either see you in the next set of videos, or I'll see you in the next clip. I'm out of here, y'all. But these are good. Try you some muffins in the air fryer, okay? See y'all.